Theta value sort of equivalent to $1.0652 a coin, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, 1.0301-1.0812 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, 1.0701, which really is very huge. The change generally was 0.0049, 0.46%, which truly is genuinely critical. Converse rate, USD to Theta in a significant way. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost $1.10. For the most part greatest 1.18, least 1.02, which is genuinely critical. Theta figure on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $1.05. In every practical sense, greatest 1.12, in every way that really matters, least 0.98, which for the most part is very huge. Theta cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $1.12, kind of greatest 1.20, especially least 1.04. Theta conjecture on Friday. Walk, 24, cost $1.13, in every way that really matters, greatest 1.21, truly least 1.05, showing how Theta cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $1.12, genuinely most extreme 1.20. All things considered, least 1.04 in a by and large enormous manner. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $1.07, by and large most extreme 1.14, essentially least 1.00, which truly is genuinely critical. Theta estimate on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $1.12, especially most extreme 1.20, least 1.04 in a genuinely large way. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $1.17, truly greatest 1.25, in every way that really matters, least 1.09. Theta estimate on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $1.27, for the most part greatest 1.36, by and large least 1.18 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $1.25, essentially most extreme 1.34, sort of least 1.16 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Theta estimate on Monday. April, 3, cost $1.31, sort of most extreme 1.40, in every practical sense, least 1.22, or so they fundamentally thought. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $1.20, extremely greatest 1.28, least 1.12. Theta gauge on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $1.14, beautiful greatest 1.22, in every practical sense, least 1.06 in an unpretentious way. Theta cost forecast on Thursday. April, 6, cost $1.13, most extreme 1.21, genuinely least 1.05, which is very critical. Theta figure on Friday. April, 7, cost $1.16, really greatest 1.24, least 1.08, which for the most part is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Monday. April, 10, cost $1.13, genuinely most extreme 1.21, certainly least 1.05 in an unpretentious way. Theta figure on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $1.09, in every way that really matters, greatest 1.17, genuinely least 1.01, which by and large is very huge. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $0.99, fundamentally greatest 1.06, truly least 0.92, which truly is genuinely huge. Theta estimate on Thursday. April, 13, cost $0.97, genuinely most extreme 1.04, sort of least 0.90. Truly further appearance how Theta cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $1.25, genuinely greatest 1.34, truly least 1.16 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost expectation on Friday. April, 14, cost $1.03, kind of most extreme 1.10, least 0.96 in a sort of large way. In about a month Theta figure on Monday. April, 17, cost $0.99, extremely greatest 1.06, essentially least 0.92, which truly shows that Theta cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $1.17, fundamentally most extreme 1.25, exceptionally least 1.09, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $0.95, beautiful greatest 1.02, least 0.88, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta conjecture on Wednesday. April 19, cost $0.96, kind of most extreme 1.03, least 0.89, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to Theta conversion scale truly equivalent to 0.9388 coins per $1, which by and large is very critical. Today, S reach 0.9249-0.9708, which certainly is very critical. The past day, S nearby 0.9345 in an unpretentious way. Change for now plus 0.0043, plus 0.46% in a huge way. USD to Theta cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Theta estimate on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost 0.909 coins. In every practical sense, greatest 0.980, truly least 0.847, or so they basically thought. USD to Theta forecast on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost 0.952 coins. Sort of greatest 1.020, kind of least 0.893 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Theta gauge on Thursday. Walk 23, cost 0.893 coins. By and large greatest 0.962, lovely least 0.833, which generally is very huge. USD to Theta expectation on Friday. Walk 24, cost 0.885 coins. For the most part greatest 0.952, kind of least 0.826 in an extremely significant manner. In multi-week dollar to Theta gauge on Monday. Walk 27, cost 0.935 coins. By and large most extreme 1.000, least 0.877, really in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to Theta forecast on Tuesday. Walk 28, cost 0.893 coins. Greatest 0.962, exceptionally least 0.833, which is very critical. Dollar to Theta gauge on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost 0.855 coins. Especially most extreme 0.917, really least 0.800 in an essentially huge way. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday. Walk 30, cost 0.787 coins. Sort of greatest 0.847, genuinely least 0.735 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Theta figure on Friday. Walk 31, cost 0.800 coins. Kind of greatest 0.862 in every practical sense, least 0.746, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. In about 14 days USD to Theta expectation on Monday. April 3, cost 0.763 coins. In every practical sense, most extreme 0.820, kind of least 0.714 in a truly significant manner. Dollar to Theta estimate on Tuesday. April 4, cost 0.833 coins. Lovely most extreme 0.893, certainly least 0.781, or so they by and large thought. USD to Theta forecast on Wednesday. April 5, cost 0.877 coins. Fundamentally most extreme 0.943, least 0.820 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Theta gauge on Thursday. April 6, cost 0.885 coins. Sort of greatest 0.952, in every practical sense, least 0.826, showing how Theta estimate on Tuesday.